Here we're gonna take a look at the Gunpla 2014 catalog. Yeah, pretty nice picture here. Love the picture of the Gundam. Let's go to the first page. Alright, if you want you can pause and read it of all the story of the models and the high grade and the master grade and all the stuff. If you want to read, you can pause it. Oh, this is cute. Right, this page you got some what is Gunpla? Yeah, all this stuff. Well, pretty interesting. You can read it. And there's some introduction of not all, just a little bit of the character in the Gundam 2014 anime. This, all the models. This is the models too. This is the MG Master Grade models. This is the Master Grade too. It's pretty cool, pretty much. And this inside the figure. Pretty nice figure here. A picture of the Gundam. Yeah. Okay. And the real grade, which is I like the most. Oh, and the high grade. They have a lot on models 2014, and a pretty good picture here. And the master grade figures. And yeah, okay. And Three Kingdom robots, which is pretty cute and cool. I like this figure very much. I think it's pretty cool, and that just makes cool and cute. Yeah, I think I used the word from the front page. If you have this book, you can read it. So now I'll just review the front page. Yeah, see, cute and cool. Combination of cute and cool. Very nice. And now you have the models. Here are all the models here. And the mega size model, just 375 mm, pretty high. I mean higher than most of the Gundam. The Gundam higher than I think higher than the masterpiece. It's called a mega size. So it's pretty big, obviously. Yeah, and the story of the Gundam, on the history of the Gundam, on TV, film, or OVA. I don't know what's OVA, but yeah, it's definitely kind of media. And the Bandai, you can see how to build the Gunpla models. Cute. Alright, and some of the very unique Gundam. The assembler made it. It's pretty cool. Wish I can make it like that. Alright, and you have some pre-screening movie. This is 2015, and two of these are already screened. I think so, in Japan I think, but my country hasn't got it. Alright, and some of the project, alright, and you can get the latest information, wow, on this website, which I already saw it. Yeah, they got some episode 2, so it's worth a shot. Right, and the last page, some of the website here, and a pretty nice Gundam figure. I think it's the coolest. Wow, nice. Wish I could have one. Alright, this is the review of the Gunpla Navigation Catalog 2014. I'll see you guys later with more cool stuff. See ya.